A tegu is a South American lizard that grows quite large, 3 to 4 feet, and is carnivorous, which means it eats other critters. They pose a threat because as a new predator in the system, they can potentially impact prey populations. They were first discovered in Florida in Hillsborough County in 2006. They were noticed in South Miami-Dade County in 2009. The epicenter of the invasion is right around in Florida City and the southern part of Miami-Dade County, and that puts that about equidistant between Everglades National Park and the Florida Power and Light Turkey Point Power Plant site, which has one of the largest nesting colonies of American crocodiles in Florida, and tegus are voracious nest predators. And also they've been heading down towards Crocodile Lake National Wildlife Refuge, which not only has nesting crocodiles, but is home to the last populations of the Key Largo wood rat and the Key Largo cottonmouth, which are endemic species found nowhere else. This also exposes the entire area of the Everglades footprint, which is the subject of a $10 billion restoration program, can also be vulnerable to invasion by tegus. University of Florida has been working with a number of agencies, Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, South Florida Water Management District, and Zoo Miami, to provide science support to enhance our ability to remove and contain tegus.
So we've been coordinating with the University of Florida for several years on exotic species, including tegus. And this past year, we actually were able to fund them to do some both surveying for exotic species and also some rapid response efforts.
We've been engaged in a number of different ways to inform us to how to remove them, which includes removing them directly. And our primary method for doing that is trapping. We catch 1 tegu for every 10 trap nights, which is quite a high rate of success. And we're also doing surveys because we have to answer the question is, are our removal efforts having an effect? There are 55 species of reptiles and amphibians breeding in Florida. Any one of them can become the next Argentine black and white tegu. Worse than that, there are over 140 species of introduced reptiles and amphibians in Florida that are waiting to take hold and become the next breeding species. So we're only in the very beginning of our battle.